This is my demonstration video, and this is my audience. Okay, so I'm going to start off by asking you a quick question. How many of you guys like to bake but can't find the time or money to do it?
Me.
Okay, well today I'm going to show you a quick, simple, and cheap way to make a delicious treat that everyone will love. So what I'm going to walk you through is how to make puppy chow, or what some people call Muddy Buddies. And my mom taught me how to make it after I begged her to teach me because she makes the best puppy chow ever. And now I'm going to show you guys how to make it in just 5 simple steps. So what those steps are going to be is measuring, microwaving, mixing, shaking, and then cooling off. So before I actually show you how to do it, I want to tell you what goes into making it. So what you're first going to get is Rice Chex, which is cereal, and then you're going to take chocolate chips, peanut butter, real butter, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and then other things that you need are like Ziploc bags, bowls like these, plastic wraps, measuring cups, and stuff to mix it in, and then obviously your microwave. So now we can get started. So your first step is going to be measuring. So you're going to measure out first your Chex cereal, and you're going to measure out 9 cups of that and put it into a big bowl, and then set that aside for later. And then next, you're going to move on to this little bowl, and make sure that the bowl you put this in is microwavable. But you're going to take 1 cup of chocolate chips and a half a cup of peanut butter. I actually usually use more because it clumps up the puppy chow, and I like the clumps in the puppy chow. But then you're going to take 1/4 of a cup of butter, and that just means it's a half a stick of butter, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then what else you'll need is 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and put that into a Ziploc bag. So your next step is going to be microwaving. So you're going to take your small red bowl and put the chocolate chips, peanut butter, butter, and vanilla extract into it, and put that into the microwave, and set it on 1 minute on high. And once 1 minute is up, you're going to take it out, mix it up, and then put it back in for about 30 seconds. And after that 30 seconds is up, it should be more of a liquefied mixture and easy to spread out, but if it's not, you can put it back in for more time. It's not a big deal. But the next step you're going to do is mixing everything. So the cup we just microwaved is going to go into this big blue bowl with the Chex cereal in it. And you're going to mix that all together and make sure that the chocolate and peanut butter, vanilla mixture all covers up all of the cereal, because you're going to need that to have the powdered sugar stick to it. And then when you're done with that, you're going to take your Ziploc bag with the powdered sugar in it, and you're going to pour the big blue bowl into that bag, and then seal it up as tight as you can, because you don't want any of the powdered sugar to get out, because that's just a mess and you don't want to have to deal with that. So once you've sealed it up, your next step is to shake it. So you're going to shake it and roll it and tumble it as much as you can to make sure that the powdered sugar covers all of the cereal inside. And then once you're done with that, you're going to take your clear plastic wrap or parchment paper or whatever you're using, lay it out on the table, and spread the puppy chow out over it so that it can cool off. And I usually let it cool off for about 1 minute to 3 minutes, but whatever time it takes, so that it's not sticky anymore, so it's not a mess on your hands when you're trying to eat it. So let's just review what I just went over. Our first step was to measure, and we measured out all our materials. Then we microwaved our materials, and then we mixed up the materials, and then we shook them, and then we cooled them off. So those are your 5 easy steps, and I hope that it helps you make a delicious treat next time you need one to make. And this is my audience.